Hello everyone, today I would like to explain you how to register and pay online through ISM EDUTECH website. First go to Google and search for ISM EDUTECH. Or you can directly type ismedutech.com in your browser. Now go to Student Essential and click on Fee Payments on right side of the menu. Now select option for Pay or check student fee details. If you know your login details, you can log in directly, or you can sign up if you're using for first time. Now select your university, enter your date of birth. Enter your enrollment number or application number given at the time of admission. If you do not know your enrollment number or application number, select option shown below. Don't have enrollment number? Now choose your university and semester and click on search. Once after all details appear, please select option shown right next to your name, or you can also search your name in search bar shown above. If you are unable to find your name, please reach out to ISM EDUTECH customer support. Please check your university, date of birth, and enrollment number or application and click on verify. Now enter your email ID, mobile number, and your desired password for sign up. After a successful registration, now click on sign in here. Enter email ID and password that used for your registration. After a successful sign-in, you can check your profile details. Now click on the left menu for more options to explore. My Academic History is where you can see detailed information of your semesters. In case you do not able to see academic history, don't worry, because this data will be shown for new batches from 2021. Fee payments is where you can see your fee pendings, paid receipts history. Also you can pay pending fee from here. You can check the exchange USD rate and select the fee component you want to pay. Once you click on calculate, you can see the final amount you need to pay. Now enter the PAN card holder name and relationship with student, PAN card number and contact details for which you need us to send payment receipt copy. After entering all details, click on Pay Now option, where a screen pop-up to select payment method. Always use net banking to get low transactional charges, because debit card or credit card will charge a little higher. Once you complete the transaction, you will receive email confirmation with payment receipt within next 1 hour. Also you can check in the payment history in your app or website login. Most probably you can see it immediately, and in some cases it takes up to 1 hour to reflect the transaction in your payment history. Alerts is where you can get information regards your fee payments and pendings. And notifications is where you can get university updates and important notices, or other related information. In settings you can change your password. Wow, that's it. It's so simple to use ISM EDUTECH fee payment portal. You can download our student app in Google Play Store and Apple Store. In Google Play Store search for iPartner, and in Apple App Store search for Smart ISM. Thank you. For any other questions, please reach to ISM EDUTECH customer support at 1-8008-896911.